This shit gonna be crazy.
Walking down, ain't skipping this building. Fucked up, bitch, good, put her face.
Y'all don't know nothing about that vert. But anyway, told you little car meat shit pop. This was an icy day. I came in, cap to you. You know you gotta look both ways. Wheel. Come here. Wheel. Stupid man. That shit sound crazy. I had to skip ahead straight to the shit because nigga, we damn near got lost. Or that bitch was just far as fuck. This shit sound nasty. I came in cap to you. But he ain't racing that little shit. Gapping the fuck out of it. This nigga was taking forever to park. Stupid dickhead, man. What the fuck you got? Why you was revving that weak shit next to me, sir? Stop. Talking about her best friend gone. I don't know what the fuck she doing. Gobble.
Get the fuck out there.
She in that big gargling.
Shut up.